In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an end portal in Minecraft. To make an end portal, you will need 12 end portal frames and 12 Eye of Ender. Start by clearing and leveling out the ground so you have at least a 5x5 box around you, or just find a nice open flat area. Now, take your ender frame and place it down. Then move to the side and place two more directly next to each other. Make sure you're placing the frames on the floor while looking straight, as there is a specific way the frames need to be placed. When you look at the ender frame from above, you will see that two sides have square designs. This is the left and right, while the other two sides have a rectangle pattern. These are the top and bottom. You want to make sure that the frame blocks are connected on the square side only, and the rectangle side is on the outside and inside of the portal, not touching other blocks. Leave an empty block in the corner, then place another 3 end frame blocks in a line. Repeat for the other two sides, making sure that the end frames are positioned correctly. Now that you're finished, your end portal should look like this. Double check that you have all the blocks positioned correctly. Go around and place an Eye of Ender on top of each end frame, and when the last one is placed on, you will now have an end portal in Minecraft. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.